a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Dang, who knew all the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays.
Now I see you in a better place.
See you in a better place.
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I...
Hai Moon, terima kasih atas segala kenangan indah. Saya amat menghargainya.
Thank you, Moon. Jangan lupa kita orang tau. Bye.
Untuk itu juga saya nak mengucapkan selamat maju jaya dan mungkin lebih cemerlang lagi lah di Japan. Okey Moon, terima kasih Moon.
Cintaku bukan di atas kertas.
Cintaku getaran yang sama.
Tak perlu dipaksa, tak perlu dicari, kerana ku yakin ada jawabnya. Oh, andai ku bisa merubah semua,
Biar tiada orang terluka.
Tapi tak mungkin, ku tak berdaya.
Hanya yakin menunggu.
Jawabnya.
Assalamualaikum Moon. Saya ingin mengambil kesempatan ini untuk mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih atas 15 tahun Moon berkhidmat di Kementerian Kewangan. Sememangnya Moon antara yang terbaik, ambil gambar yang best sekali. So terima kasih sangat dan selamat maju jaya dalam khidmat selepas ini. Terima kasih.